Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Blink outdoor camera with Blink home monitor, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Blink outdoor camera and ensuring you have all components. Next, download the Blink home monitor app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, tap on the Add a Device option on the dashboard. Select Blink outdoor camera from the list of available devices. Now, insert the included batteries into your Blink outdoor camera. Ensure the batteries are installed correctly, aligning the positive and negative ends properly. After the batteries are in place, press the button on the camera to power it on. The camera will quickly start blinking a blue light, indicating it's ready to be set up. Return to the app and select "This camera is online" when prompted. Next, a QR code will appear on your smartphone screen. Hold your smartphone screen about a foot away from the camera lens. The camera will beep and the light will start blinking a green light, confirming it has scanned the QR code. Now, choose the location for your camera in the app when prompted. You can select from predefined locations like front door or create a custom name. Follow the app's instructions to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure you enter your Wi-Fi credentials correctly to establish the connection. Once connected, the app will indicate that your Blink outdoor camera is successfully set up. You can now customize camera settings, such as motion detection and notification preferences. For optimal placement, choose a location that provides a clear view and is within range of your Wi-Fi signal. Using the included mounting bracket, mark the spots for drilling if you choose to mount it. Drill the holes and install screws to securely attach the bracket to the wall. Snap your Blink outdoor camera onto the bracket. Finally, confirm the camera's angle is aligned correctly for the desired coverage. Check the live feed from the app to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.